Okay, you will love this 5-minute reset for energy. We are going to start off with some essential oils. I have peppermint and wild orange today. Put a drop of each in your palms, rub your hands together, and take a few good breaths of that. Anytime I talk about oils, I am talking about doTERRA essential oils. They are responsibly sourced and they are pure. They use a third party to test their oil. So I trust them to put them on my skin, to breathe them in, and even some of them you can use internally. So I always post the links below, and you can always reach out if you have any questions. So just take a few good deep breaths of that. We're going to start standing with our feet hip width apart, breathing in the oils. If you don't have oils, you can just stand in mountain pose, connect to your breath. And then inhale, sweep your hands over your head, palms touch. Exhale, draw your hands through your heart and find mountain pose. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, mountain pose. One more time, just like that. Inhale. Exhale, and we'll move into a breath of joy. So you'll take 3 breaths in, so it goes, and we'll add our arms. Watch me first. Palms up, forward, and then to the side, and then all the way up, and then bend your knees to a forward fold. We'll do it 3 times together. Here we go. One more. Nice. Come to mountain pose. That's a really good way to oxygenate your blood, boost your energy. Just take a moment, notice how that feels. Now step your feet together, big toes touch. Inhale, sweep your hands up, interlace all but your pointer finger, lean to the left. Good. Inhale, come through center. Exhale, lean to the right. Inhale, find length through the center. Exhale to the left. Inhale. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, come center. Now step your feet about hip width distance apart and cactus your arms. Imagine a string attached to your heart, lifting it up as you lift up and back. And this can be a mini back bend or a bigger back bend. Continuing with your nice steady breath. Inhale, sweep your hands up. Exhale, big open arm twist to the left. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, big open arm twist to the right. Inhale through center. Exhale to the left. Keep your hips facing forward as you twist. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, bring your hands towards your heart and find mountain pose. Inhale, sweep your hands up. Exhale, swan dive forward. Find your forward fold. Inhale, slide your hands all the way to your thighs. Draw your shoulder blades together behind your back, flat back. Exhale to fold. And then do that again. Inhale, halfway lift. This time, SH to fold. Shh. Good. Now bend your knees a lot and just roll it up. Head is the last thing that comes up. Take your time. When you get there, roll your shoulders up. Inhale. Exhale down your back. Good. Inhale, sweep your hands up. Exhale, sit it back into chair. Lengthen through your tailbone. Bring your arms long in front of you for this one. Then press into your feet. Inhale, extended mountain, stand up tall. Exhale, sit it back. Arms forward. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, sit it back. Inhale, stand up tall. Exhale, sit it back. Inhale, extend. Exhale to sit. Good. Take a breath in here. And then exhale, forward fold. Halfway lift, big breath in. Exhale, fold. This time, root to rise. Sweep your hands all the way to the side, up over your head. And then exhale. Bring your thumbs right up between your eyebrows. And then to your heart. And then find your mountain pose. Just take a moment here. Take a few good breaths. Notice how you feel. Bring your hands to your heart center. Big breath in through your nose, inside out through your mouth. Nice. Have a beautiful day, everyone.